Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review of this. This is a Village ice cream, and this is a special. Let me show you. It doesn't really list ingredients on this, but it is a vegan strawberry milk tea. So, alright, we're going to do a quick taste test. Alright, so there it is, the top is off. So it is like I said, a vegan milk tea ice cream. Or non-dairy ice cream. So here we go. So you guys can see there's actually like a little bit of strawberry in there, so. Okay, so it's made with coconut. You can totally taste the coconut in there. There is chunks of strawberry in there as well. So it's basically, think of it like a coconut, strawberry, and a little bit tea flavor. The tea flavor comes in like a more like a black tea sort of taste to it. It's very subtle. It's there though. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.